As you did before, you can find the decimal value of 33b base 16 by computing the value of each digit and adding them. Substitute b with 11 base 10 in this conversion. You will see that the decimal number 827 base 10 is 33b base 16 in hexadecimal. Let us have fun now and play with numbers. Convert some decimal numbers into octal and binary and watch what the equivalent numbers are in different systems. So far, you have learned how to convert from any number system to decimal system. Now, you will learn to convert from decimal to another system. Convert from decimal to any base. Let us analyze the decimal number 345 again and convert it to decimal notation. Think about what you do to obtain in each digit. To extract the last digit, you divide the given number by its base 10. The remainder of 4 is the last digit. To extract the next last digit, you again divide the quotient 34. And the remainder of 3 is the next last digit. Repeat this process until there is nothing left. Then you stop. In the summary, you mention R. Convert from decimal to binary. Now try converting a decimal number 345 in binary notation. Note that the desired base is 2. So, you have to repeatedly divide the given decimal number by 2. Stop when the quotient is 0. Write the remainders in reverse order, as shown before representing the decimal notation. So the answer is 345 base 10 is equal to 101011 base 2. Convert from decimal to octal. Now express the same decimal number 345 in octal notation. Stop when the quotient is 0. Write the remainders in reverse order, as shown before representing the decimal notation. So the answer is 345 base 10 is equal to 531 base 8. Convert from decimal to hexadecimal. This time, express the same decimal number 345 in hexadecimal notation. Stop when the quotient is 0. Write the remainders in reverse order as shown above. So the answer is 345 base 10 is equal to 195 base 16. Remember, if the remainder is greater than 9, replace it with appropriate letter A, B, C, D, E, F. Example, convert the decimal number 1341 to hexadecimal notation. Replace 13 with D while writing the answer. So the answer is 1341 base 10 is equal to 53D base 16. Now you can check your answer by converting from decimal to other number systems and vice versa. Enjoy! Have fun with number systems. The understanding of number systems helps you in advanced programming and memory management.